Hello everyone, welcome to I2I Gurukul. Friends, today we will be discussing here about the application of scleral lenses or in semi-scleral lenses. So in this session, I am going to cover about the tripod technique, but we have 5 methods to apply the scleral lenses. The first one is tripod technique, second one is suction holder or a plunger with the suction, third is suction holder without the suction, fourth is the self-illuminated egg with the suction without suction holder, and the fifth one is the finger ring with the lens holder. So these are the 5 techniques of application of these scleral lenses. So in this session I would like to take you through insertion techniques of the scleral lenses or in semi-scleral lenses or corneoscleral lenses by the tripod technique. The tripod technique is safer method for applying your contact lenses. Procedure: Step 1. Always wash your hands thoroughly before handling your lenses and dry them with the lint-free towel. Step 2. Check your lens to ensure you have correct lens for either your right eye or in left eye. Step 3. Clean your lenses with cleaning solution prescribed by your eye care practitioner before applying them on your eye. Step 4. Use your dominant hand to hold the lens using a tripod method utilizing your index finger, thumb finger and middle finger. Step 5. Position the lens on the tripod formed by your fingertips. Step 6. Fill the lens with the Lacrypure saline until it begins to overflow. Step 7. Use the ring finger of your lens holding hand to gently pull down your lower eyelid and use your other hand to pull up your upper eyelid. Step 8. Slowly move your head towards the mirror and make it to parallel to the floor or a mirror so that it will be helpful to maintain the saline on the lens. So slowly move the lens towards the eye until you feel coolness of the saline. Then carefully elevate the lens towards your eye. Step 9. Finally, gently release your eyelids. That concludes the tripod technique method. Friends, that's all for today's insertion technique of tripod method. So I would like to request you all, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell so that you will get the notifications on time. Thank you. Thanks for the watching.